Hello everyone. In this video lesson, we are going to learn about homophones. Okay, so homophones are the words which sounds alike. I have written here the definition. Homophones are the pairs of words, sounds, or look alike or nearly alike but have different meanings. The words which sounds or look alike or pronounce same but have different meaning are called homophones. Okay, so here I have given some examples. Let's check it out. Allowed, ALOUD, allowed, ALLOWED, allowed. So both these words pronounce or sound same but have different meaning. She is for allowed. You are allowed to go. So allowed means speaking loudly. Allowed means giving permission. BIRTH, BERTH. My date of birth is 12 May. BERTH, I am going to book a birth. So BIRTH means your birth date. Okay. And BERTH means sit in a train. Okay. Break and break. BREAK, break, and BRAKE. If the glass falls down, it may break. I put my foot on the brake. So BREAK means tootna, and brake means in car, like cars brake or bike brakes. Okay, so this is called brake. Deer and deer. DEAR, deer means Kiara. She is a dear friend. DWR, deer, the tiger killed a deer. So it is an animal. Okay. So both these words sound same but have different meaning. So next is die and die. DIE, die, and DYE, die. So die means death. Okay. 6 people died in the accident. Okay. And DYE, die means he dyed his hair black, means coloring our hair. So next, HEAR here and HERE here. Here means sunna. HERE here means yahan. Deep people can't hear. Come and sit here. Okay. Next is HERD, hard, and HERD. I heard somebody crying. Sunna. Okay. Hard means sunna. HERD, hard means group of cattle. Okay, group of cattle is called herd. Both these words sound same but have different meanings. Herd yani sunna, HERD, herd means group of cattle. HOLE, hall, and WHOLE, hall. So hall yani ched, WHOLE, hall means pura. There is a hole in my sock. Okay, ched. WHOLE, hall means pura. I have read the whole books. That means I have read, मैंने पूरा बुक पढ़ लिया है. Lesion and lesion. LESSON, lesion. LESSE and lesion. The English lesson begins at 10:15. Okay. Lesion means chapter. LESSE and lesion means less. Okay. Come करना. He tried to lessen the speed. Okay. So the last one is pray and pray. Pray means प्रार्थना करना. Pray यानी शिकार. Okay. PRAY, pray. प्रार्थना. PREY, pray. शिकार. We pray to God every day. Eagles are birds of prey. Okay. So students, for today's video lesson on this verse, let me tell you once again the definitions of homophones. Okay. Homophones are the pairs of words, sounds, or look alike or nearly alike but have different meanings. Okay. So homophones are the words which sounds or look alike or pronounce same but have different meaning. So students, for today on this much,